Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Steam Remote Play together with any game. So let's get right into it. First, open your Steam application. Here, go to the top left corner of the window and click on Steam. In the following drop down menu, click on Settings. It will open a uh, separate window. Here on the left side, look for the option Remote Play. Now, in here, make sure Remote Play is enabled, under which, as you can see, you can pair your other device. Now, under advanced streaming options, enable advanced host options. It will show you some features to tweak for the host PC. Here, turn on change this desktop resolution to match streaming client and make sure hardware encoding is enabled. Also turn on prioritize network traffic option. Now turn on advanced client options. Here you can tweak how the game looks on the client PC. There are a few presets available, but we are going to use our own settings. First, switch the video option to fast, then scroll down a bit and make sure hardware decoding is enabled. Also, turn on low latency networking. And that's it. Now you know how to use Steam Remote Play on any game. Thank you for watching.